I am back with 135 subscribers. Well, guys, thank you so much for 135 subscribers. And oh my god, why do I have 365 notifications? Oopsies. There you go. Why do I have so many notifications? This is great. Oh boy, I can't wait to see that. So guys, I have not been posting in like 8 a week. Let's just check. I haven't posted since 1 week ago. So that's kind of fun. So I guess we'll just check out Animal Jam, because that sounds like a fun idea. So let's go over to my other tab. I'm gonna play some Animal Jam. This is gonna be fun. Also, the screen might be like really big, so don't mind that. Let's play Animal Jam because I haven't played it in 8 days or a week or whatever. 7 days, 8 days. Yep. Oh boy, this screen is really big. I wonder if it's gonna fit. Loading Animal Jam. Oh boy. Oh, okay. There. Yay. Yeah, the screen is really big. I'm gonna move that up a little bit. You know what? We're just gonna play with a big screen. How about that? Alright, yeah. Right there. Perfection. Oh boy. Alright, guys. Let's see. After this loads, come on, Klein, I believe in you. Oh my god. I have 365 notifications to see. Oh my god, the volume. Volume. Oh god, that's better. Ah, yes. Really? What do you want for it? I don't know. Oh my god, there's an update. The last video I did was an update. We're gonna have another. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh my god, what is this? We all know the trend. Oh boy, diamonds. Yeah, right. I forgot diamonds existed. Just kidding, I didn't. Spin to win. Also, that looks like a big update. This is gonna be an update. I come back and 365 notifications with 135 subscribers special video. And I just scrolled down. Wow, I'm so good at this. Yay, my Animal Jam account wasn't banned because I wasn't here for 50 years. Let's read the news. What is this? Wild Week. I love Wild Weekends. This is so amazing. Oh my god. This Wild Weekend, brand new My Shop storefronts are available in Jama for a limited time only. These new My Shop designs are the perfect thing for jammers who want to bring a more personal touch to their My Shop. Check out all the new My Shops and find the ones that match your favorite dens. And don't wait, these My Shops are only available this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Are they still available? I don't even know. I hope they are. Please be available still. Please be available. Hello. Yay! They're still available. Oh my gosh, yay. Oh my god, this looks adorable. I love them. I don't know which one I want. My Flying Fantasy shop? That's so cool. My haunted shop? My beach house shop? I love this one. Okay, we need, I like all these colors. They all look good. I think we're gonna do blue because that matches the water in my den. I have 515 diamonds. That's fun. Oh wow, this looks terrible. Why is this person? But it looks so cool at the same time. I want that. I want it. I need it. I need it. I just need it. I'm going low on diamonds. Let's just get all of them. You know what? I don't care. I want them. They look so cool. Oh my god. I'm going to display all of them in my den. And, yay. These look so cool. Oh, look, there's my last den. Why did I leave it on such a bad den? Alright. That was last update. We are now having a new update, which is amazing. I love it. Okay. Here is, oh my god, like some kind of, oh my god. I think these two are my favorite, but I think I like this Halloween one more. Oh my god, they look so cool. Breathe. Oh my god. I have every shop now. That's really fun. Wow. Wow, I feel like a cool jammer. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna put it like that. Instead, we're gonna put them outside so we can really display them. This one's floating, so it kind of looks weird. Let's put that one there. Yes. Yes or yes? I think that's. You know what? I think we need a different den. So, actually, I don't even know. We're getting the barn den because I have a barn den and it's empty. I think. I don't know. Alright, hurry up then. Alright, we're going downstairs. Let's go. Down to the old barn. Oh, yay. Alright, so, is this den empty? Please be empty. Oh, wow. Okay, it's kind of empty, so I'm just gonna do that. Ha! Oh boy, look at all these shops I have. Alright, so, I'm gonna put my favorite one down. The haunted one. Why can't I click it? The ghost thing. The spider. There's so much happening and I love it so much. Oh, yay. Alright, we're gonna put that one right in the front there because it's so fancy. And now my second favorite one, which will be this one. What's it called? I forgot all their names then. My beach house shop and my haunted shop. Wow. Now we're gonna put my bounce house shop in there. And then I'm gonna put those other shops that we got. Oh my god, this is so cool. Alright. And then my final favorite shop, but I like the text on it that it's different. That's kind of cool. It is the fantasy shop, and I think I'll just like put that one like right over here. Now we need the other shops that I have. So yay, good job me. My shop. I'm kind of sick, but I can still record videos because I'm back. I'm okay. Shop, shoppity shop, 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 shop. Let's get this one, my friendship shop. I really like this one too. This one's really cute. I love it. And then the original shop. Oh no, I have no space. Alert, alert. This is not good. Let's just put this one in there. I have two different ones. Let's put that one in here. And this floating one is kind of small, so I'll like move it over there. And then I'll put this one over here. And then the fantasy shop will go right there. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh, what's in this shop? Did I have anything in this shop? Okay, no. Yay, look at all this beautiful stuff that's now in my den. Wait, the haunted one, my favorite one. I have to show that one. I'm so happy these are still in stores. Sale, it's a haunted thing. And then the beach one, and then the bounce one. Oh my god, I love this so much. This is beautiful. Alright, let's see what's in the den thing for now. And then we'll go on to the next thing. Oh, sandcastle dens. That's pretty cool. And now for clothing, and then we'll go right back to the update. Alright. Ooh, that's kind of cool. But I will not be needing this. Let's go on to the next news. Alright, Balea. Balea, you are my update place for today. Alright, this first update, 10 out of 10. Or the first page of the update, 10 out of 10. Love it. Goats have returned. Why didn't you tell me earlier? Goats are here. Oh my god. Alright. Then, oh my god. Go back. Okay. Beach house. Oh my god. That is so great. Wow. Fantastic. Theater mode. Whoa. I already had this mode. This purple button. I had it here for a while. So I already know about that. So, but that's cool. They say that bigger is better, and that has never been more true than with the new theater mode. Theater mode, you can make the size of your game window as big as you want and experience Animal Jam like never before. Just click on the purple button in the bottom right corner to explore Jam in all its full screen glory. Wow, they give you a shout out at the very end. All right, let's go to the next. Fair time fun. To celebrate summer and style, 2 new albums. Yay! I can finally buy them. Yay! This is great. I'll get them later though. I kind of want this one. Oh wait. Coming soon. Oh, I want them now. The alphas continued to excavate. I can't read. The spot where Graham found the strange glyph. Yeah, it discovered the Campbell Heart Stone had been buried alongside it. Now that the stone has been recovered, Campbells, will soon be arriving in July for the first time ever. Yay! Oh, wait, crap. No, Campbells. That's so amazing. Oh my god. It looks so adorable, too. I've seen them on Animal Jam Play Wild, and I love them. Tails look really big on it, and I love it so much. Look at them. They're all beautiful. I don't have this one yet, but I have these two, and I really love this one. This one's Toy Lemon. I remember his name, and he's my son. Now the summer is in full swing. Stop by any of the egg stands to adopt one of the 3 summer generations of pets. Pet Sparrow, Carnival, and Feral Lizard. These 3 pets will be the only ones available in the egg baskets until fall, so adopt them while you can. Find one of the egg baskets in Chihuahua Health Shop or the Diamond Shop to adopt an egg, pick its colors, and 3 days it will hatch to show you which pet you got. Fantastic. If you haven't got one of these, go and get it now. Huh, beautiful. Did you know Play Wild? Yes, I did know Play Wild. What's next? Retail gift card bonus. You know, when I first saw this turtle down here, I thought it was like turtles came here or something, but it's just, did you know that Play Wild exists? And I knew that Play Wild exists. Let's go check the summer carnival. Yep, that sounds like a fun idea. This update was a 10 out of 10. I personally loved it. How about you guys? What do you rate this update out of 3 gems? How do you rate it out of 3 gems? Nothing new in here still. Just pain. Alright. So guys, I need to check the Diamond Shop because I really want that set before this video ends. Is it here? I don't know. Please be here. Yay, they're here! Oh my god, I want the Daisy Gloves so badly. Oh, a perfect parasol. It's a slightly bigger parasol. I kind of, from this set, I just want the gloves. Yay. Okay, you know what? I only want one of these sets because I don't want to spend too many diamonds. So, oh my god. Oh my god, I love it so much. Where's the goat? I need the goat. I need a goat. I need it. It's so beautiful. I can finally have a goat after like 10 million quadrillion years. Artistic orange shark. Wow. Your name is going to be Awesome Perfect Shadow. Yeah, your name is Awesome Perfect Shadow because you're awesome and you're perfect, and your shadow looks great. Do 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 do. And now I'm gonna put the set on it, and it's going to look so beautiful. Oh my god, look at this person. They're so rare. Oh my god. All right. Oh my god. The goat looks so cute and adorable. I love it so much. Alright, I now need things for this goat. Oh boy, Daisy Gloves. Thank you. And how? I just kind of, it's one of those things where I need it. I need it. Oh, this guy's going to look so beautiful. His smarts. His pants. Oh my god, he looks so adorable already.